Are you recording it?
We're recording now.
Oh. We are now in New Delhi. After a grueling trip, after a I don't even know how many mile walk in London, all over the place, after a rather terrifying drive from the airport.
Very scary. My
So you
God.
lied then.
I was more scared than she was.
I mean, I wasn't really scared, but nevertheless, I recognized
Okay.
it's.
So we're gonna go around and show how tired everybody actually is.
You've already seen.
Monty's actually JT, Monty,
Me.
Bob, and Eric haven't been in those same clothes now for 2 days.
5, 6
As
days.
have I.
And,
days.
and that's
Good thing it's not smell-o-vision.
that's not counting the days
Yeah.
I had before I ran into you guys.
I don't know if you can see me. I have changed
Several times.
a couple times.
Miss
Hey,
Chris.
these are the pills that I had.
We're all very tired, but we're here, and now we're gonna go shower.
That's
Halfway around the
25
world, literally.
Yeah,
And
we're on
other
the other
than
side
having
of the
2
planet.
ginormous ants following me in the first I'm fine.
I got bit right when we got here, and that walking out of the airport by something. So
Probably malaria bug.
thanks. That's what I needed to hear.
I brought you the
Malaria
pills.
are for.
All right, so this is the end of our video for today. Maybe.
This is the end of our video for today.
All right.
Professional lady.
Stay tuned.
You're supposed to date stamp it so they can tell how badly
Oh.
you deteriorate.
We
I
have
am
to,
not done.
we have to video
This is
confessional
day
lady,
1 of 3
Stay
weeks.
tuned.
so we can all be like,
Stay tuned.
oh my god, I can't
for
believe how
New
much
Delhi
JT's
tomorrow
feet smelled.
And Taj Mahal the next day.
You gonna get
And
worse?
then on to Bangalore.
You're gonna have to edit that down.
Bye.